Hey everybody, Hunter Fisher, Trapper, Trader, Guide, Scout, and Interpreter, and just a country cook, Steve Hall, here in Nashville, Tennessee, along with pretty Miss Sheila running that camera. Hi, Sheila.
Hi.
Today we're going to make Italian spaghetti pasta salad. Now I got to tell you something. We make a lot of recipes here. Deep fried oysters, deep fried chicken livers, and Sheila don't like most of that stuff. She likes the good old southern food, but she loves this Italian spaghetti pasta salad because it's chilled, got a lot of neat ingredients in it, and come on over, let's get started and make it for Sheila. I got just about everything already chopped up, ready to go in this salad, but I want to show you what I did to the cucumbers. We're going to use 2 cucumbers. I cut the ends off them, and then I took a potato peeler and I kind of just did a strip every now and then, leaving a little strip on there, and then I cut them off in little teeny pieces, so each little piece wasn't completely green with skin, and it wasn't completely peeled. It had a kind of a neat little color. So I just wanted to show you that. All right, and there we go. 2 cucumbers actually filled this up and part of this. So we're going to set this to the side, and now we're going to go get our spaghetti out of the refrigerator. All right, we got our spaghetti back from the refrigerator, and we cooked a whole box. Let's see here what it is. 14.5 ounces, or right at about a pound. You can use a 1-pound box if they sell that, and it's thin spaghetti. We want to use the thin spaghetti. And we put this in a big pot, boiled it with 1 tablespoon of kosher salt in there till it was nice and tender. Then we drained it and we chilled it. It's still a little bit room temperature, not quite chilled, but you want to chill it anyway. Now we're going to pour in our cucumbers. And this is 2 cucumbers, and I'll put all the ingredients in the description box below. You don't have to worry about that. And you never have to go to a website to get all of our ingredients. And this requires a pretty big bowl. This is about the biggest bowl that I got here. I might have to see if there's something else around, and then we're going to put in a 10-ounce package of cherry tomatoes. Now you can use grape tomatoes just as long as it's these little small tomatoes, and you cut them in half. 1 little 10-ounce package of that in there. And I got 1 glove on so I can kind of toss this a little bit. A half of a red onion chopped up real fine. We're going to put that in there. Oh, this salad is so fantastic. You're going to love it. Then we're going to put in 1 can. Whoop, I threw them about everywhere. Let me see. I was trying to look at the amount. It's 3.8 ounces of what Sheila really loves. She loves these little black olives. So we open them up and drain the can off with the juice that was in there. And I'll hunt the rest of these down later over here. That was funny. And we got 1 red bell pepper chopped up, and it just happened to be that 1 red bell pepper is just a little over a cup. So that's going in there. And we're going to put in a half a cup of grated Parmesan cheese in here. And this is going to be our last ingredient before we pour our dressing over it. All right. Is that looking good, Sheila, or what?
Looking real good.
I'm telling you, I'm trying to get most of the toppings up to the top there, but when we serve it, we'll do exactly that.
It's looking colorful.
It is beautiful, isn't it? Now, let's move to our dressing. All right, we got a little pint jar here, and in our little pint jar, we're going to put our dry ingredients first. 1 teaspoon of black pepper, 2 tablespoons of Italian seasoning. This is really going to give it a good flavor. 1 tablespoon of sugar in there. 1 teaspoon of kosher salt. 1 teaspoon of minced garlic. And now we're going to put our wet ingredients in there. We're going to put in a half a cup of red wine vinegar. And we're going to put in 1 cup of virgin olive oil. And that'll just fill that about 3/4 full, which is just perfect for shaking. And what we're going to do is put a lid on this. And then we're going to take it to Home Depot and put it in the paint shaker, which goes like that right there, and shake it up good, just like they do at Home Depot when they're mixing your paint for you. We're going to give that a good shake for, oh, I don't know, about 30 seconds or so. And then we're going to pour it over the top of this salad. Wow, you should smell this. Man, all the flavors coming up out of there. Incredible. I'm just going to kind of stir this around because I want to incorporate it onto all the spaghetti and all the other ingredients I got in there. And now I'm going to put in the very last ingredient that is supposed to go in during the process when you put in the tomatoes and the olives and the cucumbers and all that kind of stuff. But I saved it for last for half of my subscribers that might be vegetarians out there, because what goes in next is a little teeny bag of these mini pepperonis. And this is, let's see here, this is a little 5-ounce bag. And they're just neat little mini pepperonis. You can put them in there. We love them. So we're going to put them in there. But if you don't want meat in yours and you just want to have a nice vegetarian salad, leave these out. So we're going to put that little 5-ounce bag in there. All right. We'll take that out. We don't want to eat the little keep it dry packet. Now, we've got this here. If we had a little bit bigger bowl, we could tumble this or break this into 2 bowls and mix it up, but I've got it pretty mixed up, and I'll do that later. Right now, I just want to get it covered on all the spaghetti and all the ingredients, which I have got, and we're going to put this in the refrigerator now for 3 or 4 hours, or you can leave it overnight, and it really soaks in good. So let's pop this in the fridge for a while, and we'll be back to show you the final product. Look what I have back from the refrigerator moved into a larger bowl that I could toss all this in. This will feed a family of 4 easy. But for me and Sheila, we're going to just dish some of this up. She said that looks so good. I said, I know it. We're going to put the spaghetti in there first. And that's enough for a dish right there. And then we're going to use our little clampers and see if we can't steal some little goodies in the corner of this bowl. Get some of the toppings. They do want to run off to the side. They don't want to stay on top when you're tossing, but they're not going to get away. We got them. We got them. I'm trying to find as many of them little black olives for Sheila. She likes those. I'm not crazy about them. They're okay, but she loves them. Looky there. Looky there. Well, how we looking there, Sheila?
Looks good.
Does look pretty good.
Appetizing.
It does look very good, doesn't it? All right. Let me move this over here. Move my handy little cutting board, which Sheila got me a long time ago, and I just love it, so I serve almost everything on it. And there you go. Let me turn these around so they look pretty. And there you have it, Italian spaghetti pasta salad. Oh wait, we're not done. A little more Parmesan cheese on top to serve it. And for color, and for me, a pinch of black pepper on top. Oh yeah, now you're talking. I love that black pepper. Goodness gracious, check it out. Just right. Wowee, this has really turned out fantastic. You caught me in the middle of a bite. Sheila, you're going to love this. Everything sticks to that spaghetti. The pepper, the oils, the Parmesan cheese, the Italian seasoning. It is so delicious. You're really going to love this. Chill it for 3 to 4 hours, maybe overnight. Serve it to your guests. They're going to love it. It's outstanding. We really hope you enjoy this recipe, and we really enjoyed making it for you. In fact, we hope you subscribe to our channel, and that's easy. When Shotgun Red's face pops up over here, just click on it, and you can subscribe. Click that bell right next to subscribe. That's a notification bell. Makes them send you every one of our recipes when they come out. We hope you do that. We're going to put up another recipe over here that we hope you enjoy, and is this the most delicious Italian spaghetti pasta salad chilled you ever ate? Boy, if it ain't, it ought to be. We'll see you next time right here on Cooking with Shotgun Red. Say goodnight, Sheila.
Good night, Sheila.
Wow, this is wonderful. See you next time. Bye-bye.